Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to convert MP3 to MP4. So let's get started. First of all, let me just clear one thing, that you have a podcast or YouTube song, or you have a unique song that you want to upload on your YouTube channel. But if you want to upload a podcast directly on the YouTube, it will not show into the homepage. So like this is one of the songs, so MP3 version, so I want to upload it into the YouTube and it will not upload because invalid file format. So what you want to do, you will just need to follow this step to make this MP3 to MP4. So let's just go with your browser and search for it, CapCut for PC. Just go for it, and from here you will get a link for install on Windows. Rather than that, you can also use it as online version. All right, like as you can see, I can try CapCut online, but I will suggest you guys to download it into your PC, because if you have podcast like audio, like the audio is 50 minutes long or the video is 30-40 minutes long, it will take so much time and your internet connection needs to be high speed. Rather than that, it will take so long to export and get the videos. I will suggest you guys to download this software for free. So guys, after download and installing the CapCut, then what you need to do, you need to open up the CapCut software, which will be like this. You need to open the software and then you need to create a project. Like here, create project option, you will get that. Just tap on the create project option. And from here, you need to add the audio. So how we can do that is very simple. You need to tap on this import option coming right over here and go to the path and get the audio like this. Just open the audio and here is your audio. So we need to add it to our timeline. How? Just simply drag and drop like this. Drag it and paste it here. So after that, you need to add something on your screen. So how are we gonna do that? It's very simple. You can, first of all, you can add stock material. Okay, so here are too many stock material you can add. So we will go with a black screen. So you need to search black screen. Let's search for it. Okay, as you can see, we got so much black screen right over here, and we need to drag and drop it like this. So it will be whole black. So we need to adjust this black screen to our audio. So how are we gonna do that? We need to simply just move our cursor right over here, then press until the audio ends like this. Okay, then you can also add some of the text inside this box. So how can I do that? On the text option, go to the text option right over here, and here is the text option. You need to drag it and paste it right over here. Okay, then after that, you need to again adjust the text layer like this, and now you need to write the text. Like this is one of my song, so I will go with the song name, Despicable Me 2 Minions Banana Song. Okay, so we can do that. After completing the work like this, it will now show as the video. Now you will get a video after exporting. So how we can export? First of all, then go to the export option right over here. Then you will see many options. Don't interact with it very much. Just follow the steps I am going to do. Okay, so here select the 1080p, then bitrate, makes it recommended, then codec H.264, then MP4, select MP4 and 30 frames per second, 30 fps. Okay, then go with the export option. First, let's just make a path for it, then desktop, and click on the export. And as you can see, we have successfully exported our video and it has turned into a video. Let's see. As you can see, here is the MP4 file. If we just open up the MP4, so as you can see, we have got our video as well as the audio. So as you can see, you guys, we have successfully made this video and it is now added with our audio file that we wanted. So I think this video helps you out. If yes, please like, comment, share, and never forget to subscribe this channel. Have a great day.